Mic checker. I think I got everything right this time. Yeah, let me get on this.
Go.
How's it going? So I'm showing Armu how to I'm showing Armu how to get his new truck set up. And of course, this truck, it's a Maxx. It's a Traxxas Maxx. Thing does like 60 miles an hour right out of the box. So I'm gonna set it up in the 50% mode right away so that nobody gets killed. Because the last one of these, we sold the overtime. He brought it out and immediately knocked over a table. It was awesome, but you know, you can also break a leg. So I'm gonna show you how to set this up in training mode, beginner, whatever, 50% mode. So to turn the car on, you simply just tap the button. The car is on right now and it's in full power mode. And I'm gonna demonstrate. See how much power that has? Yeah, crazy. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna turn it back off. And then what you do is you hold down this button, turn it back on and hold it down. Now you're gonna see the red light and the green light, and it's gonna go through a series. One flash is that super fast mode it was just in. 2 is no reverse, 1, 2, 3 blinks, let it go. Now we're in training mode, 50%. See how much more manageable that is? It's still probably doing 25, you know? And yeah, it's still fast the way it is. But anyway, what we got here is a brand new Maxx, and you learn how to do it. That one time I
learned how to use my damn car.
Right. Yeah, we love it, man.
This is dope. Put the thing on it.
The body on.
Yeah, so
get the body on. There's a clip under here. Hook right
here.
here.
Clip again.
Clip right here. And then that's got to go underneath that front clip.
Do it one more time.
If you don't go over it, it'll pop off. You got to go underneath this bar, down and then forward, and then in the back, you just kind of wiggle it till it pops down. This has to be up, and then this clips down, that flips over, and now look at that. Yeah, Traxxas Maxx, love it.
Sweet.
With your back. Yeah. I was out there with my homie Sleep. As a young man, we were just reminiscing, trying to get mine just like everybody else. And we did it. It was inspirational. Let's talk about it. Come on, baby. Get on down. With your back, with your back, with your back, come on, baby. Get on down. With your back, with your back, with your back. I got a problem. Let's talk about it. I've been missing out on the love, never have I thought about it. Banging ass beats, Dre would drop upon us. Lived in South Central, 9-1 car, not bouncing to it. You can still go to Crenshaw, see niggas climb.